troubleshooting on OK button of BPR series remote control is not working on PC. Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to solve the problem that the OK button of BPR series remote control cannot be used on PC. This problem occurs mainly because the BPR series remote control is installed with standard firmware, which is mainly compatible with Android TV boxes and other Android devices. When the remote control with standard firmware is used on PC, the OK button is not compatible and cannot be used. How to solve this problem? We can solve this problem by upgrading the firmware of the remote control to PC-compatible firmware. Upgrade steps: open the browser of your Android phone, enter the download www.site www.droxput.com. Click download. Click to download the upgrade app BPR2 and PC firmware. Install the upgrade app. Connect the Bluetooth remote control. Open the upgrade app. Select the firmware. Click Ready to upgrade. Wait for the upgrade to finish. After upgrading to PC firmware, you can use OK button normally.